Hello and welcome to JULABO. My name is Alex, and today I will explain you the basic principles of our highly dynamic temperature control systems, PRESTO. These instruments are designed for precise temperature control, as well as rapid temperature changes, and can cover a spectacular working temperature of up to -92 to +250 degrees Celsius. How is it possible to achieve that? Let's have a closer look at our PRESTO system. The so-called closed system design plays a decisive role. Therefore, the fluids are not in direct contact to ambient air. A main benefit for this closed design is an operation above the flash point of the used temperature medium. The built-in expansion vessel of the thermal fluid is actively cooled. This also increases user safety and extended lifetime of the thermal fluid. We lower the oxidation at high temperatures to a minimum and prevent crystallization of humidity at low temperatures. Furthermore, for some devices, a pressurized temperature control is also possible. This function makes it possible, for example, to raise the boiling point of water glycol mixtures and to extend the working temperature range accordingly. The design includes two separate circuits, one of the thermal fluid and one for the refrigerants. The refrigerants transport the thermal energy in the cooling circuit and pass this temperature to the thermal fluid. This allows for a smaller active heat exchanger volume and results in faster heat-up and cool-down times. PRESTO units are able to generate and precisely hold the required pressure for your application at any time to allow for maximum process safety. Except for our smallest PRESTO A30, the pumps even dynamically compensate for viscosity changes in the heat transfer fluid. Permanent internal monitoring and magnetically coupled pumps provide you best performance and maximum uptime. The PRESTO units are available as air-cooled or water-cooled units. Air-cooled units can be installed anywhere. If you are looking for a flexible solution, or if you expect to move the unit frequently, an air-cooled unit will be the best choice. However, it is important to know that air-cooled units heat up the ambient temperature during operation. Water-cooled units must be connected to an existing cooling water line and have a robust heat exchanger installed. These devices are quieter and require less installation space. As you can see, PRESTO process circulators from JULABO are perfectly suited for different requirements and applications, probably also for your project. I hope this basic introduction was helpful. If you need more details or if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you, and see you soon.